Good as hell, boy. See, remember we had our bumpers that we were going to get painted. We were going to get this old 3 Cobra thing done, but that's just not going to work anymore. But we had this one molded in, had this one repainted. I think it looks really, really good. But we're going to come over and pick this up another time. We'll get it put back on the car with the new hood. Pretty happy we got our street car back. It's a little more choppier than I thought it was going to be, but it is what it is. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to film this from the other day. Confident with the tune that we're going to be okay. So we're going to go out here and break the engine in, bring it up, bring it down, bring it up, bring it down, turn it around, go back to the shop, and then we'll change the oil. This is just normal break-in for this type of scenario. About 6,000 RPM, 5,000 RPM, and then we're going to let it kind of rev its way down. We're going to do this a couple times. Them headers are hot, boy. I don't see no fires though, so we're okay right now. You always say you want to break a motor in, go drive it like you stole it. So I did 3 or 4 or 5 little rev up, rev down, got up to 6,000, brought it down. Real happy with the way Dog Performance Racing engine did with this motor. Plus, you know, the tune is really kind of universal-ish, but with the 387 stroker, so it's a bad little bitch right now. I'm real happy with it. I'm real happy with it. So we'll take it back to the shop. Yeah, and then we'll continue to get the oil changed. We'll talk about, you know, the filter and such, whatever. We'll just look it over real quick, make sure there's no fires going to happen. Hell yeah, sounds good. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I got for the video. We finally got it fired up. It took a little bit of work, more work than I thought it was going to happen, but it is what it is. One part at a time over the last 3 days. Had a couple things I had to adjust and modify, but we made it happen. I'm pretty happy with the way it sounds. I'm pretty happy with the way it runs. We're going to get it into the shop, put the hood on it, go grab the bumper again and put the bumper back on it, get those things cleaned back up so we can street drive the shit out of this car. But for first, we got to change the oil, change the filter, because that break-in period just to happen. It's not on this video, but it's going to be on the next one when we get this car put back together. Talk about the exhaust, talk about the mufflers in another video, but if you guys enjoy this sort of content, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out that join button, become a member of the channel. It helps to go do things like this and bring this content to you. Outside that, I love y'all, appreciate it. It's 4th of July. Go out there, have a safe holiday. We'll see you soon in the next video. First oil change from the break-in.